Workplace wellness programs have been around a long time. The challenge of late has been one of participation. So employers are using incentives creatively to really drive engagement in these programs. The second challenge has been one of standard design. So best practices and our understanding of what works to drive behavior change is really still emerging. And then thirdly, there's been a challenge around measuring these programs and proving their value over time. One of the biggest challenges facing our employer accounts today is to understand what the lifestyle risk profile looks like in their population so they can appropriately target resources, and then to estimate what the impact of those programs could be. So in response to that, we've developed the Wellness Opportunity and Savings Model. Essentially, the model does three things. First, it uses the demographic data of an employer's population, so things like the average age, gender, job, and industry type, to predict the prevalence of lifestyle risks in that population. So things like tobacco use, unhealthy eating, physical inactivity. Second, it estimates the medical costs associated with those risks over time, in addition to the productivity impact that those risks will have. Third, the tool allows us to estimate the impact of programs and how much will reduce the prevalence of those risks over time so that we can look at the medical costs avoided by reducing those risks and the productivity savings that are accrued over time. Another important differentiator is our team of wellness consultants. So these are folks who go out and work hand in hand with our employer accounts to look at their data, to run the Wellness and Opportunity Model, to really begin to set their strategy, but then to also implement those programs over time, ensure that they're properly communicated and driving engagement, to infuse incentives where appropriate, and of course to measure the impact and value of that program over time. The wellness website's unique in that it serves up the right content at the right time. So it gives people actionable tools to really begin to gain awareness about their current health habits. It also infuses motivation through the use of team challenges and social support networks to help them maintain that behavior change over time. I'm really excited about the suite of wellness tools that we've brought to the market and to our thousands of employer accounts. But we also recognize that each account is at a different stage in terms of their program development and the resources they have available. So we really work in partnership with them to optimize the program to really maximize the health and well-being of their employees.